How to add a contact form. With any site, you want your customers or readers to be able to contact you. And as you can see, this blog example has no contact us form. So to add one, we need to install a plugin. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress blog. Inside, go to plugins and go to add new. And what you want to search for is fast secure contact form. This is the particular plugin you need to add a contact form. There are other plugins you can use, but this one's very simple and easy to install. So once you've searched, you'll find a fast secure contact form. Simply install now. Press OK. And now you can activate the plugin. You can see now a fast secure contact form is in the installed plugins. What we need to do next is go to FS contact form options. Here are the options. You can customize the form using these fields here. The most important is the email address. So when someone submits the query using your contact form, this is the email address that it'll send to. So make sure this email address is correct. There are other options here you can customize. Just take a look at them and see what you like. Once you've finished customizing, make sure you save it. And then the next thing is to copy this shortcode here. As you can see, SI contact form equals 1. I'm just going to copy that. And what we need to do next is go to pages. We need to create a new page called Contact Us. So I'm going to call this Contact Us. And the next thing you want to do in this field here, make sure you've selected HTML view instead of visual so you can insert the code. Next we can just publish. We can now view the page. And as you can see, the Contact Us is now featured on our navigation bar here. And this is the Contact Us page. And that's all there is to it.